Hi, this is Bob for Lockpick Extreme, and today we're going to talk about the Deadlatch. A Deadlatch is a type of spring latch. Now, spring latches are used for interior doors, and their function is when the door closes, the plunger engages in the strike plate that's mounted in the door, and it holds the door closed. Now, one of the problems of simple spring latches is that something can come behind the spring latch, like a bypass tool or a credit card, and depress that from behind, allowing the door to be opened without engaging the locking mechanism. Now, to prevent that, exterior spring latches have this Deadlatch plunger. This Deadlatch plunger, when it's retained by the strike plate, it prevents the spring latch from being depressed. So when the plunger is properly engaged in the strike plate, that plunger, the Deadlatch plunger, should be pushed and held back by this, and then the plunger can't be depressed via a bypass tool or a credit card or a coat hanger or anything that can get behind the spring latch. Now, this requires a correct alignment of the strike plate and the door jamb holding the strike plate and the door itself, so that the Deadlatch plunger does not engage into the strike plate like you see here, which happens very frequently. So if you're closing your door and you hear two clicks, one is the plunger going into the door jamb. If you hear a second one, that's the Deadlatch plunger engaging into the strike plate, and that means that your lock is bypassable. Once that Deadlatch plunger is engaged in the strike plate, or is allowed to escape into the strike plate, something can come behind it and easily open your door. Now, in this model I have two strike plates, and the only difference between these two strike plates is the alignment. One is 1/8 of an inch higher up and allows the plunger to engage, and you can hear the two clicks. And if the plunger is engaged into the strike plate, the door can be opened. If I flip this around, the correct alignment retains that plunger, and it's not bypassable with a bypass tool. So check your doors, be safe, be careful, and the more you know.